What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm doing my NFT weekly recap. This is week number 3, but before we get started, let's roll the intro. In this week's weekly recap, I don't really have much to really go over. The NFT market has kind of been going through its ups and downs, especially with Ethereum and Bitcoin's prices fluctuating a lot. But there are a few things I want to talk about. One of them being that Fang Gang has come out with their Pxl Fangs. They also released and have a connected feature now to their Pxl Runner, and they are going to be giving away prizes, so we will go into that. And I also want to go over some Cool Cats news. Hopefully we'll be able to see creatures and their milk token being released very soon. And then we'll go a little bit over my plans for this coming week, where I do plan on purchasing and staking some more AXS in preparation to create more Axie Infinity scholarship teams. And then we'll go over a couple projects that have popped up that have caught my eye, and I'm going to be watching over the next week or so to see if I should buy in or not. But let's go right ahead and roll into the first topic of the Fang Gang project. And like I said, they released their Pxl Runner game about a week or so ago, and they also added the functionality to view high score rankings and to actually connect your wallet to the Pxl Runner game. And the reason for this is at the end of every week they're going to be giving away prizes for the top scorer. This first prize that they're giving away this week is going to be one of one Pxl Fang, which is actually the Pxl Fang Runner character itself. So that is going to be the first prize. Right now I think the high scores are, last time I checked, were like 25,000. My high score, my personal best right now, is only 14,000. So those high scores way past what I have ever scored, almost pretty much double of what my score was. But again, in order to actually win, you do have to still be a holder of a Pxl Fang. I believe right now you can pick up a Pxl Fang off the OpenSea marketplace. Last time I checked, they're about 0.01 Ethereum, so they're very cheap. They were free to mint for Fang Gang holders. And before we go on to the next topic, if you're liking this video so far, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and again, share the video with your family and friends who are into NFTs or looking to get into the NFT community. But let's jump into the next topic, which is going to be the Cool Cats NFT. So I am part of the Cool Cat project, and we had some more news come out from the Cool Cats team this week, kind of giving out some more features to the creatures that are going to be coming out and some of the ideas and the plans behind them. We are going to be getting creatures for being holders of Cool Cats, and these creatures will earn milk tokens, which is going to be Cool Cat's specific token, and they are going to be tier based as far as how many milk token each Cool Cat is going to earn. So if you actually go into Cool Cat's website, they had a tiered system as far as rarity goes for Cool Cats, and each Cool Cat rarity, according to the color of their background, was worth a certain amount of points. And this point system is what's actually going to come into play when earning milk tokens. They also told us that there is going to be a shop where you can purchase different items and special materials that you're going to be able to use or interact with your creature, and this will eventually in the end evolve your creature, and your creature will turn into a specific type, whether it's fire, earth, water, and I believe wind is the other element. So depending on how you interact with your creature will determine what its outcome is going to be. Cool Cats is also continuing their October events. I mentioned it in one of my other recap videos, but they're going to be doing giveaways of Cool Cats, giveaways of prizes. They just started their pumpkin carving contest. I went ahead, created my own. I'll put a photo of it here. I replicated my own Cool Cat, did a little pumpkin carving and dressed it up and snapped a photo of it. They should also be coming out with a few more giveaways and prizes, especially if you have the treat bucket NFT that they dropped to Cool Cat owners. If you were able to pick one up and you weren't a Cool Cat owner, they're still available on the OpenSea marketplace. Those buckets will give you a chance to win a Cool Cat. I believe they're doing raffle drawings and some other giveaway prizes as well. The next thing I wanted to kind of do in this weekly recap, and I'm going to be posting a video about it later on this week, so I'm not going to get into too much detail, but I am going to be purchasing and staking more AXS into the Ronin network in my Ronin wallet, and this is going to be in preparation for when I'm going to do a mass breeding working with my AXS to create more scholarship teams, hopefully to be released in December. But right now, as I'm making this video, price of Ethereum and Bitcoin are coming down a little bit. Price of AXS is also dropping, so I feel like it is a great time to go ahead and purchase more AXS and put that into some staking. The API return is, I believe, still at around 125%. I go into more detail in the video that I'm going to be releasing. I purchased 3 AXS at the beginning of this month for about $130. So I bought AXS when it was around $110. I bought 3, staked it. As of making this video, my current value has gone from 330 to about 430, which is a very nice return. This is going to include the staking rewards that I've earned from staking the AXS, as well as just the profit earnings I've earned from AXS going up in price. But keep your eyes out. I am going to be releasing that video going into detail on how to purchase AXS, transfer it to the Ronin network, and how to actually stake it if you are interested in doing some AXS staking yourself. And then that brings us just to a couple projects that I'm going to be taking a look at and watching over the following week or so. The first one is actually going to be Creature Toadz. It is a project done where they took the ideas of 2 projects, Creatures and Cryptodes, and kind of blended it together to create some unique artwork. And I believe when they were released, if you held a creature, they were free to mint. I don't know if they're free to mint or if you were whitelisted and you could do a different minting before the public sale, but they are definitely a project I am keeping my eye out on. Cryptodes and Creatures are 2 very popular NFT projects right now. Artwork of these Creature Toads are really amazing. They have these 1-for-1s based off of really popular NFT projects, and I'm excited to see where this project leads to. The other project I am going to be keeping my eye on right now is a project called Rare Bunni. Their artwork, it kind of reminds me and is similar to Cool Cats. It is a bunny instead. The project is not out of 10,000. It is out of 5,000 or 5,500. Right now, the price is sitting right above 0.1 Ethereum. It might be 0.12. It may drop a little bit more. I'm not 100% sure. I don't know if I want to go into the project just yet with the price point being where it's at. I may wait for it to lower a little bit or see what future plans and stuff the project has in store, but it is a project I am going to be keeping my eye out on. And there you have it. That is just going to be my weekly recap. This is week number 3. I hope you folks enjoyed this video. I did also post another video earlier on about how to create a MetaMask wallet if you're new to the crypto and NFT space and you're looking to get started. Definitely give that video a watch. I'll link it somewhere on the top here, and I'll be posting my video on how to stake and set up staking for AXS later this week. But until next time, see ya.